So there's this notion that plant-based food are not delicious. So we wanted to change that and serve food that are delicious.
Whether for health reasons or moral beliefs, dumarami na nga ang mga Pinoy na tumatangkilik sa isang plant-based diet. Dito sa Pilipinas, young adults ang core consumers ng lifestyle na ito mula sa edad 15 to 29 years old. Dumarami na rin ang mga produktong nagbibigay sa atin ng meat and animal dairy substitutes. Nahahati sa dalawang categories ang mga taong may plant-based diet, vegans and vegetarians. Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa?
I think it's more of a lifestyle rather than just a diet. Vegetarian is more of like the plant-based options. So they're included pa rin yung dairy, and there's also eggs. So there's lacto for those who still consume milk, and then there's ovo naman. Ovo vegetarian is for those who eat and consume eggs. But then veganism is more of everything plant-based. Same with the lifestyle, sustainability, and heading towards more environmental activities and work.
Dito sa Aurora, Quezon City, isang cafe ang may delicious drinks and hearty food para sa mga gustong sumubok maging vegan. Ang Through Habit Cafe. May ibigan kaya ni Ashley Ortega ang vegan diet kahit certified sweet tooth siya?
Actually, sobrang interesting tong drink na to. Kasi usually when we drink coffee, hindi man natin i-expect na pwede pala siyang i-pair with calamansi. So, I wonder how this would taste, kung maasim ba or bitter. At saka itong mga food natin, itong mga sweets natin, usually nagigilty talaga ako pag kumakain ako ng sweets. But these are all vegan.
If you want a quick caffeine fix that's also refreshing and with a mixture of the calamansi. Kasi parang people always wonder na, parang bagay ba yun? Parang hindi. But it's really, really good.
Oh my gosh! Ang sarap niya. Actually, parang naglalaban yung asim at saka yung taste ng coffee. Pero nandun yung balance niya. It's really good. Parang first time ko lang ata kumain ng vegan na dessert. It's good. Hindi siya matamis. Sa mga taong hindi mahilig sa mga matatamis na cookies, I think ito yung perfect for you. Ito yung favorite ko, oatmeal. Kasi when you say oatmeal cookies, medyo nakaka-less guilty kasi parang healthy oatmeal eh. Pero ito vegan talaga. I think this is the best dessert sa mga taong magda-diet talaga. This one, cacao nib cookies. I like it. Out of the three, parang ito yung pinaka-best for me. I feel like I'm drinking a cocktail. A cocktail coffee. But it's actually nice na nabibigyan natin ng twist yung mga coffee natin.
It's called Ventura Highway because of our barista. Kasi ang name ng barista namin ay Arvin Ventura. He wanted for it to look like a sunset. So it's another citrusy drink, pero it's higher ng caffeine.
So we wanted to serve a drink that is something familiar and represents yung Filipino products natin, which is gata. So, yung crema de coco, it is espresso latte with coconut cream. Okay, I think this is my coffee. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga matatamis. I actually love coconut pag namimix yan sa coffee. I do that at home eh. I like this. I think, actually favorite ko rin kasi ito eh. Medyo parang hindi ko na alam kung ito ba or ito.
Aside from good coffee, good food, and good habits, we also conduct our creative space with all the artists out there. Aside from our open library, we also invite everyone to come celebrate with us for your birthdays, anniversaries, and every single event that you would want to happen here at Through Habit.